In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Crazy Domains email. By the end, you'll be comfortably accessing your mailbox through the Crazy Domains dashboard and webmail, with a clear understanding of each screen you'll see along the way. Before we start, make sure you know your Crazy Domains account login and the email address and password for the mailbox you want to open. These are often different, so it helps to have both ready. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will do. Just make sure it's up to date for the best performance. In the address bar, go to the Crazy Domains website. You should see the familiar homepage load over a secure connection. If the page looks cached or out of date, a quick refresh usually clears it up. At the top of the site, click the Login button. This takes you to the Crazy Domains account sign-in page. Here, enter the credentials for your main Crazy Domains account. Remember, this is the account you use to manage your services, not necessarily the same as your email mailbox details. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to let it autofill. If you've forgotten your password, use the recovery option rather than guessing repeatedly. Once you're in your account, look for the email hosting or email section. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your plan, but you'll find it in the dashboard where your services are listed. Give the page a moment to load. Large accounts can take a second to populate. Next, select the specific email account you want to access. If you manage multiple domains or addresses, double-check that you're choosing the right one. You'll typically see the address or mailbox name clearly displayed. From there, click the webmail or login option. This button launches the webmail interface, often in a new tab. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the site for this action so the window can open correctly. On the webmail screen, enter your full email address and the corresponding password. Email passwords are case-sensitive, so watch out for caps lock and extra spaces. Keep your credentials private and avoid saving them on shared computers. Finally, click Login to open your mailbox. You should now see your inbox, folders, and message list. From here, you can read, compose, and manage your email as usual. For smoother access next time, bookmark the webmail page and always sign out when using a public or shared device. If anything doesn't load as expected, try refreshing, switching browsers, or checking your account status in the dashboard. That's it. You're logged in and ready to go.